All right, so we got almond. They had almond or oat. They had all kinds of other exotic blends too. We just got our regular. Yeah, for almonds, it's pretty good.
It's really good. They had all different kinds of chai there, stuff that I hadn't even heard of before. And one was a Swahili chai. I just got the vanilla chai with almond milk, but it's really good. You can taste that it's homemade. You can taste the cloves in it and the cinnamon. And so it's got a really strong chai flavor, but it's also sweet.